So I got this new camera. It's a Canon Elph 300. It's pretty cool. It takes awesome video. And the first little video clip here is me complaining about prices. Now I forgot to zoom out after I aimed the camera back at my face, but it was kind of telling because I actually aimed the camera right at my face. So it's interesting that I had that good an aim. Why don't they just say 380? I mean, for God's sake, why don't they just say 380? I find myself rounding up phone numbers because I've gotten so used to rounding up 9s to 10s. This camera has another feature really cool. It takes slow motion pictures, and they're slow motion clips. It's not particularly high resolution. You need a lot of light. And I took a couple of different ones. This is the only one that didn't suck.